Okay, calculate. We've got a right angle triangular prism, and it wants us to calculate angle AFB. So I think a good idea is to connect AFB, AFB, and then back to A. Okay, so this is actually a right angle triangle. The right angle is where the base, the line going across the base, will meet the height. So I'm going to draw it just over here. And we've got this right angle. I've got A, I've got B, and I've got F. And then what else do I know? I know the height is 18, and I want to work out AFB. That's this angle here. Actually, I'm going to do it in blue. This is the angle I want. So how can I do this? I've only got one side at the moment, but aha, I have another right angle triangle hidden away. This is a 3D trigonometry question and Pythagoras involved. So here, this green triangle, and this green link here is shared, like it's this one here. So I can draw my green triangle. I've got a right angle here actually because it's the base and this is a rectangle on the bottom. So I can draw that. It's 40. I've got my right angle. I've got 25. And then I want to work out what this length is. So this is 25 squared plus 40 squared. I'm using Pythagoras' theorem, and then I'm square rooting it. So open the square root, 25 squared plus 40 squared. 5 root 89. Not particularly nice, but we can deal with that. I'm going to leave it exact. And that length is here. It's this one here. It's also this here. So this becomes 5 root 89. And we're nearly done. So now I can label my triangle. I've got my hypotenuse. I've got my opposite. I've got my adjacent. I want to work out the angle, so I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA. I can write down that tan of my angle, I think I'll call it x. Tan of x is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent, which in this case is 18 divided by 5 root 89. So x is inverse tan, the opposite operation of tan, of 18 divided by 5 root 89. I can put that directly in my calculator. Shift tan. Let's do fraction 18 divided by 5 root 89. Press along here. Always a good idea to close the bracket. 20.886. I always like to write down about 5 figures, and then I'm just going to round it to 3 significant figures. I think that's good practice. Do show it in full first.